Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Today I made one trade. Made 20 bucks. What did I play? I played RADA. See what I buy in at 9:30. Oh yeah, so I bought this one like right at the break. Um, they basically just had a good earnings report. It's all earnings this week, so there's not like it's not like like phase three trial or FDA approval or stuff like that. It's just like we had good earnings, big whoop. So it's kind of lame this week, and plus like uh, North Korea's nuclear threats, I think, are kind of having an effect on the market. So I know it's like other stocks are kind of being driven down a little bit, but my defense stocks are going up, which is awesome. But so 9:30, I bought at 227. So right here on this candle, I think. Yes. So I was waiting to buy the break. Basically of where is it at? Oh, I just lost myself. Sorry. Here we go. So there's the pre-market was around 226, 227. That's kind of where like the high was at, right here along this area. So I put my buy order like I always put it like kind of like a couple cents above, because sometimes like once normal market hours open, it'll pop just above pre-market and then it'll shoot back down. So if you put your, at least I've noticed, you put your buy-in order like 1 cent above, it could crack and then just fall back down. So I always try to go like a couple cents above, which like of course will cut into my profits a little bit, but for me it just feels like a safer entry point. But anyway, so it cracked up, and it was going up, and it was kind of holding around 229, and it was going up and down, up and down, up and down, and I was like, oh shit. So I was waiting for it to see if it went below like 220 or so, and it got close. It got like 222, 221. So I was about to like just sell it and cut my loss because I thought it was going to turn into this candle right away right here. But it opened up here, and then it came up to about 232, right around here, and that's where I sold it. And then it went up to 230. Let's see, what was the high? 235 was the high, so I was like 3 cents off the high. So not, I could have held it obviously for like another second or two and would have had that, but it's all good. Like I made a little bit of money on it, and then after that, it just dumped. Like it just dumped, so I got out of it in time, which is good. So it was really only a 5 cent 5 cent gain, and I bought in with 400 shares, and then I sold my 400 shares, so 800 shares total. You'll see up here, and that was really the only play. Um, there's another stock that was moving pretty good, HDSN. I was trying to watch it. I didn't. I was the chat room was talking about it a little bit. I wasn't paying attention to it too much because it's like in the $10 range. So I was like, I don't want to fucking buy it. It's kind of high, but like penny stocks, not a whole lot of them were doing too much today. It kind of seemed like. So I started watching it right around here when it dumped off this green candle, started going red, and then I was drawing some like trend lines, and I was thinking, okay, if it breaks like 237 or something like that, I'll buy in. And it came close, or not 237, it was like 240 or something like that. But it came close and then just dumped. So I think it just had a big enough move already. You can see it, and you can see like my trend lines. I drew them up. It was ascending pretty well, and then once it broke, of course, then I thought about shorting it, but I was like, I don't really want to buy a $10 stock. I want to try to stay under. But like it actually broke down pretty well. It went from like 10.05 all the way down to like 980, and it went down pretty quick. But and there's like a couple other plays. And then everyone's watching like was it TVIX, because it's kind of going the opposite of the market. It like shot up pretty well today, but There's not like a whole lot with pennies, at least it seems like to me. It was really just the RADA play I had right out the gate. So at least I finally made a trade this week. Fuck, I was getting concerned. I think this week kind of sucks, and I do think it is like the whole like nuclear threats and shit going on right now. It does have the market skeptical, of course, but we'll see what happens, and I'll talk about it more later today because it's Thursday and I do like my stash update. But that's basically where I'm at. So Green Day cleared commissions, woohoo! Happy about that. um, but yeah, that's really all I got for today. So I'll talk to y'all later.